morning. I'm Purnima, and children, I'm here to revise you the lesson first from Flamingo. And children, I've already done the explanation part of the lesson. In that lesson, children, it is giving importance to the mother tongue. Okay, the whole lesson is rotating around that we must respect our nation, as well as we should give honor and respect to our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is very important and influential for us. We should always know the importance of mother tongue. Now children, in this story, Franz is a boy who is least bothered about the French language. He passes his time in playing rather than learning his language. Now children, when Franco-Prussian War was there, they came to realize that today will be the last day for teaching of the French language. Not only the French language, the teacher will also have to leave. So it was a blow to them. It was a blow to those students who were not caring much for their and worried for to learn French language. And children, so this is a very emotional story in which the writer Alphonse Daudet, in a very nice manner, he has explained about the importance of the mother tongue. It's very emotional touches there, like children, the last day of the teacher. Okay, because a news has come from a German, uh, from the German government that now more language of the France will be taught in the school, and the teacher will also be uh, there for not teaching the language. The teacher have to leave the school, and the teacher, Mr. Monsieur Hamsel, he was teaching the student for the last 20 years. So a very emotional touch for the students that from the next day they won't be able to see the teacher, and a very emotional thing for the teacher also that that day would be the last day of his teaching French. Okay, so he children through his wording, he realized that we should always take care of mother tongue, and we should always guard this language. Now this language we cannot teach in the school, and for that even I have to leave the school, the teacher said, but you should know that your language, your mother tongue is very beautiful, and you should always guard your language. You should try to learn it. So this was this is the message given by Alphonse Daudet to the students. Now children, I've already taught you the lesson. We have revised it twice. First I've explained you, and then in all the previous video I've done the revision twice. Okay, in the form of a revision, revising the lesson in the beginning. So if you have any problem, we can discuss it in the online classes. And today children, according to the latest marking scheme, and according to the latest pattern, few of the lessons are omitted, but I would like to tell you that three type of question can come in your board examination. First is MCQ question. Okay, it can come in many forms, like extract based questions, and simply like that they can give. And the other is the question, short question of 30 to 40 words. Children, if you will write more than, if you will not adhere to the word limit, and if you will write more, your marks will be cut. So this you have to see, this you have to keep in mind, that how much the question is carrying the mark. Then you have a long question, one from Flamingo, the other from Vistas will be there. That would be a bit tough. It might be a message based question, or a moral based question, or central idea based question, or characterization. Okay, so many things is related. I will be telling you in the revision that what type of question will be there. So that long question will carry 6 marks. Okay, so this is the marks division. Okay, 2 marks question will be of 30 to 40 words. Then children, 4 marks, and I think 6 mark question will be there for you. So the word limit, yes, I would also like to discuss the word limit. Like children, 2 marks. If it is 1 marks question, you have to write in one whole sentence. You don't have to write half sentences. Like who composed the poem, so you have to write the full sentence. It is Mr. XYZ who had composed this poem. Okay, and the name of the poem should also be written. So in this manner, children, you have to write the question of MCQ. Then whatever is asked, you have to tell it in the full sentence. Now let's switch off to the question, and which I will be discussing with you right now are the question of short question with 20 that question is of 2 marks. So your word limit should be not more than 40 words. Okay, not less than 30 words and not more than 40 words. If you will write less, then your marks will be cut. If you write more, then also your marks will be cut. Now the long question will be of 6 marks, I think. Okay, still we are waiting for the sample paper. Okay, maybe very soon, after 15 to 20 days, you will be having your sample paper all over the market, and in the net also we can see. So but what I feel that long question is out of 4 to 6 marks. Okay, and the word limit has also been lessened. Earlier it used to be 180 word or 160. Now the word limit is only 120 words to 130 words. So you're lucky that a lot of chapters has been deducted from the course and the word limit has been lessened. So I hope you will be do better in this period of COVID-19. Okay, so now I am thinking to start with the short question. I will be telling you some short question which is very important, and which came in the board examination of the previous year. So children, we can discuss here. So one by one I will be telling you about the question, and I will be discussing the answer also with you. And I feel that you should sit with a pen and pencil in your hand. So whatever question, you can note down the question and important point, because you cannot write all the questions. So many questions are there from the sample paper. You cannot write all the question paper. So one thing we can do, children, you have to sit with a pen in your hand. The important point which I will be discussing with the question, that you can note it down. Okay, in this way, children, we can do the preparation, because now is the peak hour where you have to do your preparation. Well, so our first question is, why did friends not want to go to school that day? Now, children, what was the day? Friends was not aware that it was the last day when this order came from Germany that no more French language will be taught. Now, before attempting the question, you must read the question twice. Many people are under impression, children, that they can write anything. No, the introductory and the concluding part of the every question which you answer is very important. And you have to read 2 or 3 times. Even if you understand the question, you try to reread it again, and once again you find it out that what really the question demands, what should be the answer, exact answer of the question, what should be the accurate and precise answer of the question. That is, you have to see. You don't have to write unnecessary blah blah blah. You have to write the correct the to the point answers. You have to write it, because now the word limit is also fixed. Now, so my first question is, why did France not want to go to school that day? So which was the day? It was the last day for the teacher and for the student also to learn that French language. And France was not aware of this thing. He was not knowing that that was his first. That would be his last day for learning the language. Now, children, I will be starting with see, children, your question. Don't try to write in a bombastic manner. You just simply, children, you can write in a simple language, but some new words should be there. Okay, because you are the student of language and literature. A teacher of PGD level will be checking that your question should be should be maintaining the standard of class 12. So don't write in a very easy language that would give a wrong expression to the examiner. So you try to, whatever new words you have written, learned here in the lesson, or the words which I have taught you, that children, new words you have to write it. Okay, that new words you surely try to write it. So children, my first question is, why did France not want to go to school that day? So France, children, I am using one small simple word, reluctant. What is the meaning of reluctant? Reluctant means one unwilling. So instead of writing, children, this France did not want to go to school, you can write France was reluctant. Okay, reluctant means he did not wish. Okay, France was reluctant, RELUCT, okay, ANT, to go to school that day, as he was unprepared with his homework. Okay, instead of writing not prepared his homework, you can write unprepared his homework. It is a simple word and it is much more appropriate. He was unprepared with his homework, that is the rules of participles. Moses Hamel was to question the class on the topic, and he was scared of the teacher that he has not prepared his lesson well. So children, I think this is total word limit here is 40 words, and you can see it is covering the whole point. So now my second question is, why was French not scolded for reaching the school late that day? This is, I think, a very nice question. Why he was not scolded that day, as he was expecting by his teacher that he should get a nice scolding. But he was surprised that nobody had said. Instead, teacher, what did the teacher said, children? Did you remember? He told Franz to take his seat. In fact, he told Franz that they were going to start their lesson without having him. So children, let's discuss the question and the answer first. Why was Franz not scolded for reaching the school late that day? So why he was not scolded for reaching the school? The key word is here, late. French was late for school. Usually there was always a great hustle and bustle in the morning. Now children, this hustle and bustle, all these words are there from the books, only no new words from my side. And how nicely, children, I am using. When France was late for school, usually there was always a great hustle and bustle in the morning. So this hustle and bustle is a new word. He had stopped to take advantage of that noise and commotion. And children, he had hoped to take, not stopped, children, I am really sorry for that. He had hoped to take advantage of that noise and commotion. He wanted to get to his desk without being noticed. But that day he had to go it before everybody. Moses Hamel only asked him very politely to take up his seat without scolding him, as it was Hamel's last lesson of France in that school. So children, instead of giving punishment, he did not give him any punishment. Instead, what he told that he would be doing what he would be, that would be the last lesson of French for in that school. Now question number 3. What did Franz wonder about when he entered the class that day? Now children, there are two questions there. Why was Franz not scolded for reaching the school that day? This is some other question. Don't confuse, because you can see many people will be getting confused if this type of question will be there. Now my question is that, what did Franz wonder about when he entered the class that day? Okay. So children, when Franz entered the class that day, he was very much children worried, because Moses Hamel was to question the student on participle and he did not prepared it. Franz knew nothing about them and feared a scolding. Definitely he was fearing, expecting a scolding from his teacher. He also wondered about a big crowd that he had seen around the notice. No, this I think we can omit this point. Okay. For a moment he was tempted to run away, but he overcome his temptation and hurried off to school. Now, children, dear children, the thing is that what did Franz wonder about when he entered the class that day? So I think children, he wondered about three things when he class. First, there was no noise, there was no hustle and bustle. When he went inside the school, it was very silent. Okay, everybody was sitting very quietly. It was very silent. Okay, so now children, you can see that since he was sitting in a very, he saw that everybody was sitting in a very silenced manner. What else did he see? He saw that some elderly person who generally never used to come to school, they were sitting at the back chair. And children, finally he was surprised to see that his teacher was putting the best shirt and the best suit which he occasionally used to wear on the day of his inspection or some children prize distribution day. Now, I think this question is, I like this question very much. Why were some elderly person occupying the back benches that day? So why they will have occupied the back benches, some elderly person? This came in the board examination. Okay, twice in 2017 and then again in 22. So in again in children 19. Some elderly person occupied the last benches on the day as it was the last day of teaching of French. They wanted to pay homage to their country and respect to Monsieur Hamel for his dedicated service for the last 20 years in the school. They regretted having lost the opportunity to learn their own language. Okay, so they opposed, children, they were regretting that why they did not learn their own language. So such was the situation. Now, what is thunderclap? These words were to me, France. What were those words and what was the effect on France? So children, when Franz reached the school late, now once again I read the sentence, the question, what is thunderclap? These words were to me. What were these words and what was the effect on Franz? So Franz reached the school late on the day of the last lesson. Monsieur Hamel mounted on his chair. He spoke in a grave and gentle tone and made it clear that it was his last French lesson. As an order had come from Berlin, all the school of Alsace and Lorraine would teach only German from the next day, and children, the teacher would be replaced by the German teacher. And children, that's why Franz was shocked and grieved as he was going to lose his teacher and the opportunity. For the first time, he also realized that how important is the mother tongue to him. So this question you have to write in short. This question you have to write in short, and children, you can you only have to write in 40 words. Okay, so this is the condition. Now, children, so I hope children, are you noting it or not? You have to note it down, otherwise children, these are a very good question and it is covering mostly all the point. 1/4 of the lesson it has covered. Though it is of 2 marks question, it is a short question, but children, it is covering all the important point. In the answer we can see all the important points are there. Okay. How were the parents and Monsieur Hamel responsible for the children's neglect of the French language? Children, this is also a very important question. Okay, in set 3 in All India Secondary School Examination in 2017. So children, how were the parents and Monsieur Hamel responsible for the children's neglect of the French language? So Monsieur Hamel did not scold France for neglecting the French language. In fact, he told that many people are dependent on their parents. Okay, the parents prefer to put them to work on a farm or at the mills. Monsieur Hamel did not even spare himself from blame. He told he had often sent his student to water his plant. instead of learning their lesson. And sometimes even he, when he did not like, he did not want to teach, he gave holiday to the student. So this was the situation. Okay, now children, then other important question, this I've already told with you. I had the villager come to school that day. How did they look? So the villager had come to thank Mazur Rahman, okay, for his 40 years of faithful services. They also wanted to show their respect to the country that was now no more to them. They were belonging, it belongs to now to German government. They were sorry that they had not gone to school more. They were sitting quietly and looked sad. What three things in school surprised Franz most that day? So children, this is important. So three things. First, Mazur Hamel has put his best dress. Okay, his frilled shirt, his satin black cap, and a green color, fine green color suit. Okay. Then second, the whole school seemed quite strange and solemn because everybody was sitting very quietly. Thirdly, the village people were sitting quietly like school children on the back benches that usually remained empty. So these are the three important things, okay, which children, uh, the words were this one. He was three things school which surprised Frank that day. Okay. Now, children, the other short question can come in the form: what tempted Franz to stay away from the school? Children, not only the teacher but the student are also blamed for not going to the school. Okay, so French was not prepared for the test on participle. The Prussian soldiers were drilling in the open field at the back of sawmill. The birds were chirping at the edge of wood. These things tempted him, so he hurried off to the school. Okay, so these are the things. Now, children, why do you think was little Franz afraid of being scolded? So children, little Franz was afraid of being scolded that day, especially because Mazur Hamel, the teacher, had said that he would question them on participle. Franz frankly admitted he was totally ignorant about that subject, and his exact words are, I did not know how the first word about lesson. Second, he had started for school very late that morning. So here these are some of the things which you should keep in mind. Now, who was Watcher? I think everybody know he was a blacksmith. Okay, he was reading the latest bulletin. He asked Franz not to go so fast to his school. He added that the little boy would get to his school in plenty of time. So fast to his school. He added the little boy would get to his school in plenty of time. Okay, Watcher had read the latest bulletin about teaching German. Franz thought that the blacksmith was making fun of him, so he ran to the school and reached there breathless. Now, why were the elders of the village sitting in the classroom? So, children, elders of the village were sitting in the classroom because, children, why they were sitting? Because Mazur Hamel was taking his class for the last time, and they all came to honor him. They all wanted to say thank you to him for his 40 years of service. Okay, and so they were, all the elderly people, they were sitting at the last classroom to attend his class. It was done not only to pay respect to Mazur Hamel but to pay respect to his own language. So it was not to pay respect to Mazur Hamel but to respect his own children language. Okay. So now I think you are able to note down, you are able to understand all the question which I am telling you people. Now children, some more question I will discuss with you, some more important question which came in the examination now. So this I already discussed. Why were the elders of the village sitting in the classroom? Okay, because Monsieur Hamel was taking his last class on the French lesson. That is why elders of the village were sitting in the classroom to attend it. It was done not only to pay respect to Mr. Monsieur Hamel, but to respect to their mother tongue also, their language also. Okay. Now, what were the elders of the village? This told you. Then, how does Franz and other boys enjoy their lesson in writing? That day, Moses Hamel had new copies for them. The words Franz, Alice were written on them in a beautiful round hand. The boys set to work quietly. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper. Nobody paid any attention to the beetles which flew near them. Okay, so a France student had told one thing. Okay, this is also what I feel I should discuss with you. What did he told? He had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. What did French? What led French to make this remark? So for French noticed that Moses Hamel was feeling sad on having to leave the place after 40 years and not being allowed to teach French any longer. Yet he kept control on his emotion. He performed his duties faithfully. He heard every lesson to the last. The school was dismissed only at midday prayer time. So children, these are some of the questions which we have discussed. Okay. Now, student, how did French react to the declaration? This is your last French lesson. So he was shocked. The word appeared startling and unexpected like a thunderclap. He now understood why there was a crowd at the bulletin board, why the village people had come to school, why the teacher was dressed in his best suit, why there was sadness and silence in the school, why the students were silent and serious. So this you have to write it. Okay. Now, he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. What led Franz to make this remark? Franz noticed that Monsieur Hamel was feeling sad on having to leave the place after 40 years and not being allowed to teach French any longer. Yet he kept control on his emotion. He performed his duties faithfully. He heard every lesson to the last. The school was dismissed only at midday prayer time. So children, till the last moment, children, it was his last day of the school, but till the last moment, children, he acted as if he was acting in the same manner every day. Okay, he conducted all his classes, whatever the routines were there, he followed the same routines. Okay. This is a nice question, I feel. How did Monsieur Hamel behave as the last lesson came to end? Monsieur Hamel stood up in his chair. He looked very pale and tall. He wanted to say some parting words, but something choked him. Then he wrote, children, he was very emotional. He wrote something on the board, Vive la France, on the blackboard with a piece of chalk. Then he stopped. He leaned his head against the wall. Without a word, he made a gesture to the student with his hand to permit them to go as the school was over. So he was so emotional that the student, he was not able to talk with the student. He was not able to talk also. He was very much emotional. Children, how and why was Monsieur Hamel dressed differently that day? So this also came twice in the board examination. So that day Monsieur Hamel put on his fine Sunday clothes. It was in honor of the last lesson. So this is an important line. You cannot, if you want, it was honor of the last lesson. He was proud of being French and upset by the occupation of Alsace by the Germans. He had already announced that the last lesson in French was uh, to be taught. So children, with this I um, have discussed lot of important question of the small children, that is short question answer. One or two important question, that is short question answer, are still to be discussed. So wait for my next video. And there now it is time to discuss the long question, which is very much harder than the short question, because in short question children, in one or two you can write point, but children, when the question is of 4 or 6 marks, then it is difficult for a student at how to increase the word limit, what appropriate language should we write. Okay, so this we have to see, that how you will write the long answers. And with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.